Camera reviews are stupid. Look at this camera. It's so pretty. Buy one from my affiliate link. It's all crap. Me and many others in the camera world evolve into capitalistic animals bent on making money on your fears, hopes, and dreams. Look at all these great photos. Click my link. Be like me. Buying this camera equals buying happiness. So I don't want this to be about the ZF. Not really. I have no affiliate links for you to click. Cameras are like musical instruments. They could be cheap, expensive, big and small, loud and quiet, and come in a million variations. They all make music, but sometimes one captures a certain frequency in just a little bit of a different way. Call it a vibration or a connection to the universe that, in the hands of a certain person who's tuned to that frequency, can make good things happen. And that reminds me of my time with the Nikon Zf. I bought and sold it months ago, but I look back at the adventures I took with this camera and I realized there's something special about the photos. And they have nothing to do with the sensor, autofocus, noise, image quality, or any of that stuff. I barely even remember using the ZF. More often than not, using the manual controls of the camera brought me kind of into a flow state. It wasn't me using the camera to take a photograph, it was me revealing portals into other worlds. Here's a photograph I took back in late 2024. There's a longing here, a question. Were things better back then? This could have been taken in the 70s, and it probably looked exactly the same. I came to realize, though, as I spent more time looking at all these photographs I took, that I'm not taking photos of the things I see. The ZF isn't documenting what's in front of me, not really. Instead, the camera is a portal into my inner self. The Nikon Zf took me to places that are hard to believe were ever real. This scene reminds me of the slowness of a time when people used to experience things totally different. Was it really that much better? Was it really that much different? And maybe in the end, none of these places were ever really real, not the way I think of them. Maybe photography is just memories of places that never existed. And the Nikon Zf is just a stupid camera. The real portal, the real truth, it's inside of me. And it's inside of you. Bye.